next month, a whole bunch of American kids are going to be graduating from college, as well as a bunch of foreign students. And there's this program, OPT for short, that lets them stay pretending to be students. They stay on student visas, but it's just a work visa. They're staying. And it seems to me there's an opportunity there for people who are already here, but not as residents. Obviously, people who have green cards are permanent residents. They don't have to go anywhere. They're now part of our society. But people who are foreign students, it seems to me it's perfectly appropriate for us to say, things have changed. You finished your degree. It's time for you to go home. We're not going to let you stay. And that program in particular is just made up anyway. It doesn't even exist in the law. The president could get rid of it tomorrow.
Well, thank you for that. That's a very good example. This whole idea that somehow people have entitlements and rights. The law doesn't give them the right to graduate from college here and demand entry here. Some people have proposed that. It's come nowhere close to passing, to my knowledge. And so there we are. So many different examples of situations in which people are up for extension. Maybe they came for 3 years and they want to be extended. They were never guaranteed more than 3 years, whatever their length of visa was. They're not guaranteed the right to re-up and stay another 3 years if there's no jobs in the economy. They're here to take, because presumably they were needed to fill jobs that weren't being filled. But when that's no longer the case, they are not entitled to just demand to be able to stay. And we need to be realistic about that, summon up our simple understanding of law and what a visa means and how long it exists. And you don't get to extend it if it's not in the national interest to do so.